New Microsoft Copilot update is insane. Microsoft just dropped something huge, and most people have no idea it's coming. This changes how you run your entire business. One AI does everything automatically. No more jumping between apps, no more wasting hours on tasks you hate. This is the update that makes AI actually useful. Okay, so let's talk about what Microsoft just announced. Because this is big, like really big. Microsoft Copilot just got an upgrade called Copilot Tasks. And when I tell you what it can do, you're going to understand why this is a massive deal. Here's the short version. Copilot can now create a plan, open your web browser, use your apps like Outlook and Google Calendar, generate documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, and schedule all of that to run automatically whenever you want. That's not just an AI assistant anymore. That's an AI employee. And I want to break down exactly what this means for you and how you can use it right now to save time, automate your work, and grow your business faster. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So let's get into it. First, let me give you a bit of context, because this didn't come out of nowhere. A few months ago, OpenAI released something called Operator. Operator is an AI agent that can actually use your computer. It can browse the web, fill in forms, click buttons, complete tasks for you without you touching anything. People went crazy for it, and rightly so, because it's genuinely powerful. Well, Microsoft just looked at that and said, we're doing that too. But we're building it directly into Copilot, and we're connecting it to every Microsoft and Google app you already use. That's the game changer here. It's not just a standalone tool. It plugs straight into the software you already run your business on. Outlook, Google Calendar, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, all of it. One AI that actually lives inside your existing workflow. That's a completely different level. Now, let me walk you through what Copilot Tasks actually does, because I want to make this real for you. I don't want to just throw features at you. I want to show you how this actually works in practice. Feature one, it creates a plan. You give Copilot a goal. Let's say your goal is to grow the AI Profit Boardroom community and get more members this week. You just type that in. Copilot breaks it down into a step-by-step plan, what needs to happen in what order, what tools it needs to use. It builds the whole roadmap automatically. And if you want to learn how to build AI automation systems like the ones I just walked you through using tools like Microsoft Copilot to save time and grow your business, then the AI Profit Boardroom is exactly where you need to be. The link is in the comment and description. Go check it out. You don't have to think about the steps. You just give it the outcome you want and it figures out how to get there. That alone saves hours of planning time every single week. Feature two, it uses a web browser. This means Copilot can actually go out onto the internet and do research for you. It can pull information, check competitor websites, find data, read articles, and bring it all back to you in a format you can use. So for example, you could say, research the top 5 AI automation communities online right now, and give me a breakdown of what they offer, what their pricing looks like, and what gaps exist that the AI Profit Boardroom could fill. And Copilot goes off and does it. That is hours of research happening automatically while you're doing something else. Feature 3, it connects to your apps. This is where it gets really interesting. Copilot Tasks can plug into Outlook, a Google Calendar, and more, which means it doesn't just tell you what to do. It actually goes and does it inside your tools. It can send emails. It can create calendar events. It can schedule follow-ups. It can update your calendar based on a plan it just created, all without you lifting a finger. Think about how many times a day you open Outlook and spend 20 minutes just on admin emails. Copilot handles that. You just review and approve. Feature 4, it generates documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. You give it a brief. It builds the thing. So let's say you want to create a full onboarding presentation for new members joining the AI Profit Boardroom. You tell Copilot exactly what you want, the key benefits, the tools covered, the community structure, the quick wins people get in week 1. Copilot builds a whole PowerPoint, is structured, formatted, ready to use. Or maybe you need a spreadsheet to track your content output across YouTube, email, and social. Tell Copilot what columns you need, what you want to track, how you want it formatted. Done in seconds. This stuff used to take hours. Now it takes seconds. Feature 5, it schedules everything. This is the one that really makes it an autonomous agent. You can tell Copilot when you want tasks to run every Monday morning at 9, every Friday at 5, whenever a specific trigger happens. So you can set up a task that runs every week. Every Monday, Copilot checks what content went out last week. pulls performance data, writes a summary report, and drops it into a shared folder for your team. Zero effort from you, it just runs, every week on autopilot. But first, let me talk about why this matters so much right now. We are in a moment where AI is moving from assistant to agent. That's the shift. An assistant answers questions, an agent takes actions. ChatGPT is an assistant. You ask it something, it tells you something. You still have to go and do the thing. An agent actually does the thing. Copilot Tasks is Microsoft betting everything on agents. And they have a massive advantage because they already own the productivity tools: Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, PowerPoint, and now Copilot is woven directly into all of them. That's not just an AI product, that's a complete AI operating system for your business. Now, here's the bit I want you to really think about, because this is where most people get it wrong. People think AI is going to replace them. That's not how to think about it. The people who win with AI are the ones who use it to multiply themselves. You're not being replaced, you're being upgraded. Right now, there's a version of you that has one brain, two hands, and 24 hours. That version can only do so much. With tools like Copilot Tasks, there's another version of you that has an AI running research, writing docs, scheduling tasks, managing your inbox, and generating content ideas all at the same time, while you focus on the high value stuff only you can do. That's the unlock. That's why AI automation communities like the AI Profit Boardroom exist, because most people know AI is important, but they don't know how to actually set this stuff up properly and make it work for their specific business. Because there's one more thing I want to cover that most people are missing. This is the difference between an AI tool and an AI system. Anyone can use AI to do a task once. You type a prompt, you get a result, great, but that's still you doing work. You still had to go and use the tool. Scheduled tasks means the AI does work without you initiating it. You set it up once, it runs forever, and the outputs just appear. That's what Copilot Tasks is building toward, a system where your AI layer is always running in the background, always producing, always moving things forward, even when you're asleep. That is a fundamentally different relationship with AI, and it's where every serious business is heading. The question is whether you get there first or whether you're playing catch up in 18 months. Microsoft Copilot Tasks is a genuine AI agent, not just a chatbot. It plans, it browses, it connects to your apps, it generates documents, and it schedules itself to run automatically. It's Microsoft's direct answer to OpenAI's operator. The smart move right now is to get ahead of this. Start thinking about what tasks in your business are repetitive, time-consuming, and don't require creative human judgment. Those are the tasks you automate first. Research, email drafts, reports, content briefs, scheduling, onboarding docs, all of that can be handed off to Copilot Tasks. And the businesses that build these systems now are going to be operating at a different level than the ones who wait and see. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Microsoft Copilot. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.